If you want to get the detailed Ccurve report and histogram, you have to export it into Excel. It is done with a few clicks using Report Wizard. Report Wizard helps you save your time by creating resource allocation reports for each type of histogram. Ccurve. Step to create time-based histogram in Ccurve. 1. Open the selected project. 2. Go to Tools, Report. When you at there, you will see all reports layout showing all the reports. 3. Look for Report Group, Resource Usage to organize to the newly added report to group in Resource Usage Group so that you can find this report easily when you need. 4. Right-click, Add, New Report. Next, select the Resources in the Subject Area box. Select Time Distributed Data checkbox to see the project data over time frame and click Next. 5. To configure selected subject areas for the required data, select the resource name in the columns box. Add filter for current project's resource as shown in figure below. If you intend to review a resource graph that also shows material supply and non-labor, i.e. cranes, trucks, etc., resources over time, include them in the above resource filter. Then, you will be able to review how many manpower or equipments will be required to erect tons of steel structure, various feet of pipes per each day or each week. Unlike the resource usage profile in the activity view in P6, all resource can be displayed in a single bar chart using a clustered or a stacked histogram by exporting P6 data to Excel spreadsheet. 6. You will find Timescale tag and Time Interval fields tag in the Date Options window upon completion of Step 5. Select Show Time Intervals and Show Total check boxes to display project data over period and all time respectively. 7. In Timescale tag, set the Timescale Start as PS Earliest Project Start, Timescale Finish as PF Latest Project Finish, Date Intervals as Week, select Day, Month as desired. Review Resource Loading. 1. To review manpower loading, select Calculate Average option in Timescale tag to calculate manpower allocation per period. Select Budgeted Unit to display planned data and Remaining Early Unit to produce forecast data in Time Interval fields tag. 2. Name the report title and click Next and save it. 3. Go to Run Report, select ASCII text file, select Field Delimiter and Text Qualifier, and choose the output file location to export P6 data to Excel as shown in figure below. 4. Finally, the exported manpower loading data would be looks like this. Planned and forecast data are the same in this post as project hasn't been scheduled. 5. Now, you can produce the desired resource histogram chart in Excel. Review Progress Curve. You can also export P6 data to make Progress Ccurve using this method. 1. Create the new report by following all the steps in Step to create time-based histogram in Ccurve. 2. Leave Calculate Average checkbox as blank, i.e. do not select it. As a result you will get resource hours data. 3. Actual progress data would be produced when the actual works are begun. To display actual progress data, add actual units to Time Interval fields tag. 4. Run the report using Step -3 in Review Resource Loading and export it to Excel. The exported data is man-hour unit. 5. Calculate the periodic progress from the periodic hours divided by total project hours. 6. Once progress calculation is done in Excel, insert Ccurve chart to view the progress curve. The related posts that you might be interested in are how to get resource loading histogram. Ccurve in Primavera P6 shows how resource allocation chart Ccurve are produced in P6, creating discipline-wise manpower histogram using Primavera P6 export data. It will guide you how to develop trade, discipline-wise manpower histogram without using Report Wizard. Tutorial How to generate Ccurve histogram from Primavera P6 Part 1. Tutorial How to generate Ccurve histogram from Primavera P6 Part 2. Tutorial How to generate Ccurve histogram from Primavera P6 Part 3. You can learn step-by-step guide to develop Progress Ccurve histogram by using Excel data from P6.